Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're not new to my channel. So today we have another Boxycharm. My name's Anna. I'm an 18-year-old girl and I do YouTube on the side. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that comes with 4 to 5 full-size makeup, skincare, or hair-related items. Usually it's all makeup items, which I love. I love makeup, and this is my July Boxycharm. Oh my god, I thought I saw something. Okay, so when you open up Boxycharm, you get a little card that tells you the month's theme, and I'm not going to put this card up because last month I put the card up and it messed up my whole lighting, so we're not going to do that again today. This is the month's card. This month is, I think, Au Naturel, which is all natural, I think in French. And it comes on the other side with all the items that are in it, as well as the price for each of the items. So usually I either open my items and review them beforehand, or I open the items on camera. So this month I opened them beforehand because I wanted to try out some of the items and see how they reacted. So my first item in the bag comes in a little packet, and it is Luxie Gaia's brushes. So it comes in a cardboard box, which then can be recycled. And on the box, I think I might have just dropped one of the brushes. No, I didn't. It says, unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help our beautiful planet please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. And brushes included are listed on the back. However, it also says it on the brushes as well. So I'm a little upset about these brushes. We always have an issue with Boxycharm. One of my brushes came damaged, and if you cannot see that right now, yeah, so it came damaged on the outside. If anyone knows how to fix this, comment down below and help me out, but I'm a little upset about this. The brushes come with the big one is a 510 foundation brush. It comes with a fluffy crease brush, and it says large eye blending, which is $250. And then there is a small one, which is the Luxie 246, the precision crease. And I used both of the eyeshadow brushes because what else can you do with eyeshadow brushes except for use them for eyeshadow, you know? What else can I use with them? Nothing really. But yeah, they're really soft, they work really nice, they're very precise in what they do, and yeah, I'm really happy about this. 3 brushes in a package is not bad. And so these originally supposedly cost $30. So I think no. I was gonna say this is the most expensive thing in the bag, but according to the list, it's not. So the next item we got in the box, which I'm not very happy about, is a 10-piece set of cleansing spa water makeup remover wipes. And it says contains natural herb essences using Lismo natural spa water, oil-free and mildly acidic. And it's by the brand Kojendu, which is a brand I think in Korea, and it only comes with 10. When I saw this, I thought this came from the dollar store. But I remember the makeup wipes that I've gotten from the dollar store come with at least 50. This says it costs $17. I'm just gonna let you process that. Now, I've used them, they're nice, but like, do I think they cost $17 for 10 of them? No, that's more than $1 per wipe. So I'm not too happy about this one. And so when you subscribe to Boxycharm, they'll send you an email saying, oh, this is spoilers of what you get in your box. And I looked at it, and the one item that wasn't listed was this one. And so I'm guessing what I'm assuming happened is that they ran out of everything else, and they just threw like a cheap item in there for someone else. Because all of the spoilers, this was like, all of their Instagram, when they like fulfilled their Instagram, this wasn't in any of the pictures. So like Boxycharm, step up your game, either tell the truth that you're gonna throw like in a cheapo item for some people, or put the more expensive item in everyone else's box. So Boxycharm this month, Au Naturel makeup remover wipes. I'm like, I next item I got in the box, which I'm very happy about because I love face masks. I love when Boxycharm sends out like face mask in a tube, is the LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And it's advanced skincare, and it has a silver tab on it, so I have not used this yet. I have used the makeup wipes and the makeup brushes, but I haven't used this yet, and I'm just really happy about this. I have other face masks I want to finish before I get to this one because I don't want this one to expire, but it's a good brand. It's apparently costs $30 or $35 for a small face mask. So like, you know what, like I get it in a Boxycharm for $21 with 5 other items. I'm not complaining. So I'm happy about that one. Boxycharm, you did good on that one. Au naturel, like you are sticking on theme from all of these items, but it's like there's some items we want instead of the other one. There's gonna be one item that you guys are gonna hate as much as I do because it's not on theme at all. It has been seen before, and it's, well, you'll see it when we get there. We'll get there. That'll be my last item, so I'll keep you guys interested in the hype. The next item, which I'm actually also really, really happy about, is the Butter London. Now, what is this palette? It doesn't say the palette name on the box. Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, I'm really happy about this. It's $32. It's a good brand, and it comes with a mirror inside, so I'm not upset with the palette itself. Okay, wait, that's a lie. Okay, what I'm upset about is they come with 2 matte shades and 4 shimmer shades, and they're all so pigmented, as you can see. However, the matte shades, you can't, like, you don't have a base. So how I always do my eyeshadow is I put a base on, and then I have a crease brush, and I use a transition shade, and I put a shimmer there. And then if I'm feeling more adventurous, I'll put eyeliner on, which I've been trying to experiment with, eyeliner on, or a pop of color on the inside. So I'll switch it up every day. However, with this, you don't have a base, so you have to use another palette to use the dark brown transition shade or the Femme Fatale pop of color shade. And it's just like, it's just so dark that you can't use it. I don't know. I'm a little frustrated. Today is the Femme Fatale on the inside of my corners and Queen on all over my lid. But and Temptress in the outer corners to darken the color up. However, for base, I had to use like a ColourPop palette. So I don't know, like, just my preference. I don't think it's an awful palette. I actually really like the shimmers inside of it. The Femme Fatale, the blue is beautiful, as you can see, but just the other one, that's just what I would change about the palette. Maybe I would get rid of one of the shimmer shades that's not as interesting, or even like add on another shade. I don't know, I like that it's little. I love like the packaging, and I think it's so beautiful, and I could probably do like a makeup look inspired to the outside of this packaging, but like maybe switch it up a little bit. That's the one thing I would change about that palette. I think it's one of the best things I've ever done. And now we have our last one, which I refuse to try on because I hate bright pink lips. And I'm with this, I am not Jeffree Star. I cannot rock a bright pink lip. And many people can't, and that's totally fine. However, this is not au naturel, like, at all. Like, it is a bright pink fuchsia shimmer shade. That's just, oh my god, like, I don't know. Oprah is something else to me. It smells beautiful. It's in the shade Santorini. I've been to Santorini before, so I'll probably keep this shade. But it's not Boxycharm. What is you doing? You used this in a couple months ago. Like, I didn't get it, thank God, but other people did, and I'm just like, I would understand why other people are upset. This cost $20, but I'm gonna see if there's any coupons on this, and I might just resell this. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I haven't even tried this one on yet, so if you see a swatch of it, that's the only time I've tried this on. But yeah, this month wasn't the best month of Boxycharm. We got 2 products that are kind of like not great products. Okay, I can understand the Ofra Liquid Lip, because it's a full-sized Ofra Liquid Lip. Like, it's like a good brand, and it is a full-size liquid lipstick. However, I don't understand the makeup remover wipes because there's only 10. And it's, I don't know, it's weird. It's not like Boxycharm to only like, to put even makeup wipes. I don't think they've ever done that. Like, hello? Is you okay, Boxycharm? But like, that's my personal preference. This is my shout out of the week. If you like this video and you would love to see more, I have other Boxycharm reviews linked. You can watch the month of June. You can watch the month of January. Yeah, I have vlogs up, anything you want. And if you wanna stay on top of my content, I have my Snapchat, my Instagram, my Depop, my TikTok, all linked down below. Oh, and my Twitter. Can't forget about Twitter. So I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day, evening, weekend, week, whatever you're doing right now. And I love you guys so much. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day.